Life is a grid. Know how to use it. Let's talk first. Sometimes you see coordinates represented. Uh, I'm going to represent some coordinates right here. This is the grid we're going to be talking about. We're going to use something called negative numbers. Do you ever see negative numbers? When? Trick question. Negative numbers don't really exist. They're a comparison. That's a part to part comparison. For instance, you owe somebody money. Maybe you pay for something. Now you have negative $6, representing the money that you spent. Well, you don't have negative 6. It's a representation compared to how much money you have, compared to how much money you once had. Take the temperature. Oh, it's negative 2 degrees out. It's not really negative 2. It's negative 2 based on our comparison, which is freezing. We call freezing 0 degrees. It's 2 below freezing. Well, that adjusts based on where we are. It's a construct. Take, for instance, this construct. This right here, this is my axis. This is the 0 axis. You can go two ways. We can go this way and this way. It's two-dimensional, you see. Or we can go up and down. If I want to move backwards, I'm going to call this negative. To the left. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. If I want to move this way, I'm going to call this positive. We always talk about this direction first. You can also move up and down. You might refer to that as north and south. Positive is this way, negative is this way. I bet you want to practice. Why don't you watch me do a couple on IXL? Here's my practice zone. I'm going to go to coordinate plane review. Can you see okay? I can. What are the coordinates of point E? Well, that's tough. Remember, this is called our x-axis. We do this first. If I start at 0, 0, I need to move this direction to get to in line with E. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Think about this like an airplane. An airplane moves along the ground first, and then it goes up and down. To get now to E, I need to go up 5. How do I write that? I write negative 4, 5. It must go in this order. When I press submit, you're going to see it say excellent, or correct, or terrific. That's right. I know my stuff. Which point has coordinates 2, 1? Remember, we start along this plane first. When a plane takes off, it goes on the ground before it goes up in the air. 2, 1. So I'm going to go on the ground for 2 and then up for 1. That's point W. Tell me I'm great. Oh, brilliant. Yes, I am. Which point has coordinates 2, negative 3? Wait a minute. I go on the ground first. This direction is positive 2. And then I'm going down 3. Think of that going south. Down. Negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3. Look at me. I'm at D. Tell me I'm great. Well done. You can do better than that. Negative 3, 4. Negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3. Now I go up. 4. I'm at U. Tell me I'm brilliant. Oh, you got it. That's right, I do. We're going to stop after this one right here, thinking, what are the coordinates of point T? 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2. Positive 4. Positive 2. Super. Yes, it is. Ooh, this one. I thought I was going to be done, but this was a nice one right here. To get to T, I must now go this way. I'm going on the ground in this direction to the left. That's negative. So I'm going to type in negative 1, and then I'm going up to the north. 2. Negative 1. 2. Tell me I'm brilliant. Well done. Ooh, I don't even want to mess around with that. But I bet right now you're thinking, I want the opportunity to practice. That looked awesome. Well, I have some games for you. Billy Bug and his quest for grub. Bet you want to try this out. I'm going to show how you can try this out on your own. Billy Bug and his quest for grub. After you're done with that one, Maybe you want to try another one. Locate the aliens. Lost aliens can be seen on a grid map. Can you name their positions? Positions. I have just the opportunity for you. You see, on the wiki, 5T Pride, if you move over, let me shrink this page down to your size. Go in the math folder. Can you read? Well, if you can, you might know the alphabet. We're going down to C, coordinate work. First game, Billy Bug. Click on it. Billy the Bug. Instructions. Uh-oh. I'm going to allow this. Yeah, I want to allow Flash. Move Billy Bug to the coordinates, which are only positive numbers. Whoa, Grub is located at 310. I want to try something harder. Billy Bug 2. Yeah, that's what I'm going to put on the page. We want to use negatives too. -3, 5. Where is it? -3. Up 5. Do I feel confident? Yahoo! That's 2 minutes. I'm at 8:21 seconds. I have one answer correct. -1, 0. Wait, -1, 0? I go up 0? Yeah, that's right. You go up 0. 2, -5. I bet it's fun to watch me play, but I'm going to give you the chance to play on your own. Let's go check out the second game. Locate the aliens. Are you good enough? I know I am. I'm going to click to enable Adobe Flash Player. Lost aliens. You can read that. I've already finished reading it. I'm a super fast speed reader. Type in the X and Y coordinates of the lost aliens. I had already read that before I said it. -2, 9. See how I went back 2 and then up 9? Now it says press enter. Did you read that? I did. Yeah, that's right. I found the alien. Now I'm going to give you time to play. You can stop this video when you're ready. If you haven't stopped yet, I bet it's because you still want to hang out with me because I'm so much fun. Fun.